So, hello, good morning, guys. Hope you are doing your best. This is AG Photography, myself Aman Gupta, and I have taught in earlier video that all about aperture, and I have also said that the main pillars of photography are shutter speed, aperture, and what we call ISO. So today's video is all about going to be all about shutter speed. So if you have seen that images, long exposure images, if you have seen any bride and groom pre-wedding images, or if you have seen car trail or star trail, all the all those such kind of images are clicked through the shutter speed. And if you have seen some freezy moment like one ball has been struck with a pin and blasted, and they have captured on all photographers has captured about like freezing the moment. These such kind of images are only shoot with the help of shutter speed. So we will only talk about shutter speed. So let me define what is the shutter speed. In terms of camera, speed is basically the speed of shutter, uh, which provides the time to light to enter into your sensor. Like shutter is like our eyelid. If you seen our eyelid are open, that means shutter is open. If our eyelid is closed, that shutter is closed. And the process of close and opening the eye, that is called the shutter speed. If you lower your shutter speed, then you will give lots of time to enter the light into your sensor. And if your eyelid just like snap, so you will give very less time, and it will freeze your moment, it will freeze your photography. Then basically we use shutter speed of while taking so long exposure photography. I will provide you the images. If you can see this image, this is shotted on the very low shutter speed, and you can see this image, and this image is very means smoky type images. Okay, and let's see another image. Like you are watching that image has been shot on the very fast shutter speed. So basically we have increased our shutter speed up to 200 or 300, so you can freeze moment like this shutter speed. So in terms of photography, shutter is basically counted in the fractions of time. You have heard many times like 1/30th of second. It means part of a second. We have divided a second into two parts. One part in 15 seconds, one part in 15 seconds. So basically shutter speed is the time which you give your shutter to take picture or enter your light into your sensor. Like we have one part 110, another is 125. It means 110 is like you have given a second for 10 parts to capture the image. It means the 10th part of a second which you give time to capture your image. And there is also a shutter speed like 125, one of 125. So basically you give only just 1/25th part of a second to capture your image. If you go for capturing some light painting, or you have seen that star trails, so you give lots of time like 10 seconds. It means you given 10 seconds to capture that light to your sensor. And if you have to freeze some moment like this ball, so you have to increase your shutter speed up to 200 or 250. For that you have to increase your shutter speed up to 200. Like you have given 1 second, but it's a 200 part. Like if you give just a snap with a needle in your ball, then it will capture in the fractions of 1 second. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. My first video was about aperture, and this video is all about shutter speed. So if you have any problem in both of the videos, so you can tell me the feedbacks in the comment below. And if you are getting some more interesting videos related to photography, so you can also suggest me.